Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find and utilize the colorful fireworks effect for CapCut. It's a new year, so you might want to find some New Year's effects on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to 2024, and then you're going to find the colorful fireworks effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and we're going to drag it to the beginning of the clip. Grab the end of it and drag it to the end of the clip for it to fit the entirety of the timeline. Now, with it being selected, we can go to the right corner under Special Effects and mess with the filter, the horizontal, the size of the effect, the speed, and the vertical, and we can also add keyframes. So let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.